Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base, then place the cover over the gas lift. Place your backrest and seat cushion face down as shown here. Then, place your arm frame with the armrest facing downwards on top. Pull the seat cushion and backrest into the upright position. Insert the washer into the arm frame, then tighten the M655 screw using the included Allen key. Next, connect the side arm brackets using M625 arm screws. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Attach the backrest to the seat with the included M630 back bar screws. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.